Did you know for every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses earn an average return many times higher than most other digital channels? But that's not even the most important reason you should build an email list. This answer shocks me because for years we've all been told that the secret to growing an online business is getting more followers, more likes, and more views. But what if that's completely backwards? In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you why the businesses making the most consistent sales aren't necessarily the ones with the biggest social media following. They're the ones that own their audience instead of renting it. Hi, I'm Trevor, and on this channel, I help beginners, affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs, especially those over 50, build simple online businesses without needing to be tech geniuses. And before we get started, if you'd like to learn exactly how affiliate marketing works, click the first link in the description and register for the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class. My business partner, Mark, will show you step by step how to build a profitable affiliate business from the ground up. And make sure you stick around because I'll show you the one mistake that keeps thousands of online businesses trapped in the social media hamster wheel and how to avoid it. Let's jump in. Here's a question for you. What happens if you spend years building 100,000 followers and tomorrow the platform changes its algorithm? Suddenly, your posts reach only a tiny fraction of your audience, your engagement drops, your leads dry up, and your sales slow to a crawl. Sound dramatic? It happens every single day. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is believing those followers actually belong to them. They don't. You're borrowing access to that audience. The platform owns the relationship. Think of social media like renting a shop in someone else's shopping center. Businesses might be booming today, but the landlord can move your shop, increase the rent, or even close their doors tomorrow. That's exactly what algorithms do. Now, compare that with an email list. When someone joins your email list, they've invited you into their inbox. No fighting an algorithm, no hoping your next post gets seen. You have a direct line of communication with people who have already said that they're interested in what you have to offer. That's the difference between renting an audience and owning one. But here's what surprises most people. Owning an email list isn't just about communication. It's about sales. Think about your own habits. How many times have you seen a useful social media post, planned to come back to it later, and never found it again? We've all done it. Social media moves fast. Great content disappears within hours. An email doesn't. It waits in your inbox until you're ready. That's one reason email consistently converts better. The people on your list have already taken an extra step. They've raised their hand. They've shown genuine interest. They're no longer casual browsers. They're qualified prospects. That's a huge difference. And here's something even more powerful. Email keeps working when you're not. Imagine writing a welcome sequence once. Someone joins your list today. Another person joins next week. Someone else joins 6 months from now. Each of them receives the same valuable emails automatically. They're learning about you, building trust, discovering solutions to their problems. And when the timing is right, many of them buy. That's automation. You're building an asset that works around the clock instead of constantly chasing the next post, the next reel, or the next viral video. By the way, if building an online income through affiliate marketing is something you'd like to do, click the first link in the description and register for the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class. You'll see exactly how email marketing and affiliate marketing work together to create a business that can keep generating income long after you've switched off your computer. Now, I don't want you walking away thinking social media doesn't matter. It absolutely does. In fact, social media is one of the best ways to get discovered. The mistake is expecting it to do everything. Social media starts the conversation. Email continues it. Social media creates awareness. Email builds trust. Social media attracts attention. Email converts that attention into customers. The smartest online businesses don't choose one over the other. They use social media to attract people. They then invite those people onto their email list where the real relationship begins. And that's when your business becomes far more predictable, far more stable, and far more profitable. If you're just starting your online business, don't wait until you have thousands of followers before building your email list. Start now, even if you only have 10 subscribers today. You're building an asset you actually own. Remember this. Followers are borrowed. Subscribers are owned. That's a mindset shift that can completely change your business. If you'd like help building a profitable affiliate marketing business using strategies like this, click the first link in the description and register for the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class. I'd love to see you get started. Now that you understand why email marketing consistently outperforms social media when it comes to generating sales, the next thing you'll want to learn is how to actually build an online business, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. Click the video on your screen now, How to Start an Online Business in Your 50s and 60s Without Being Techy. I'll see you there.